Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's Fast 5 workout number 6 is going to be 1. Side shuffles, 2. Side leg raises, 3. Bicycle kicks, and 4. Jump squats. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. 3, 2, 1, go. Again, just 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Again, 30 seconds. You want to make it a little more challenging, go a little bit quicker. Try to go on your toes. 5 seconds left. All right, we got those single leg lifts. So I'm gonna go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, keep going. 30 seconds. You notice I lost my balance a little bit, and that's okay. You need to put your other hand out, gives you a little more balance. And switch. Get as high as you can. All right, moving on. We got those bicycle kicks on your bottoms. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Go nice and slow at first. It's about the motion. Technique is more important than speed. All right, last one. Jump squats. Keep going, don't quit on me. All right, time. 1 minute water break. If you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts, drop a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite exercise you've done so far. Which Fast 5 workout has been the most challenging for you. And don't forget to make sure you like this video, please. Your support is greatly appreciated. All right, 20 seconds left. I know you got it in you. You got this. Don't quit on me. Keep working hard. All right, we got 10 seconds left. Deep breaths in. Start from the top again, side shuffles. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. You got it, don't quit. All right, side leg raises again. I'm doing 5 on the right. Switch. Straight as you can. As high as you can. Again, if you need to have something next to you to hold on to, that's okay. As long as you give it your maximum effort. All right, moving on. Bicycle kicks. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Squat jumps. Come on, last 30 seconds, you can do it. Don't give up. And time. Great job, you did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 6. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know in the comment section what were your thoughts about this workout. Was it challenging? Was it too easy? How did you modify it? How can you change it to make it more challenging? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.